A person has purchased two adjacent plots. One is rectangular shape and the other is in square shape, and combined them both to make a single new plot. The breadth of the rectangular plot is equal to the side of the square plot, and the cost of fencing the new plot is 470 rupees, which is 5 rupees per meter. Find the side of the square if the length of the rectangular plot is 20 meters. Alright, what we are given is that a person has purchased two adjacent plot. One is rectangular shape, so one is rectangular shape and one is square shape, and he combined both of them, and he combined them in such a way that the breadth of the rectangular plot is equal to the side of the square plot. So that means the combined plot would look something like this. Okay, this is the square plot and this is the rectangular plot, and the breadth of this rectangular plot is equal to the side of the square plot. Okay, so this is this entire plot now, and the cost of fencing is given to us as 470 rupees. So that means he's fencing this plot. We are also given that find the side of the square, so we have to find out the side of the square, which is B. If the length of the rectangular plot is 20 meters, so we have also given the length of the rectangular plot, which is 20 meters. All right, so now we know that the person is going to fence this plot, so he will be fencing this area. Okay, so he'll be fencing this area. He will not be fencing this because he has combined both the plots, so he won't need to fence this. He only has to fence this thing. Okay, he only has to fence this thing. Now how will we know how much fencing is required, how much meter of fencing is required? We will have to find out the perimeter. Okay, we will have to find out perimeter. Now what is perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of lengths of all the sides of this plot. So now we know that this is B, this is parallel to B, so this will be B as well. So we have two B's, so perimeter here will be 2B plus, now we know that this thing is B, this thing is B, and this entire thing here is 20. So how much will this entire thing be? It will be 20 plus B, right? So we have the perimeter as 1B, 2B and 2 times this. Okay, so 2 times 20 plus B, so we get the perimeter as 2B plus 40 plus 2B, or I can say that this is 4B plus 40. So now we know that 4B plus 40 meters of fencing is to be done, right? Now we are given that the cost of fencing is 5 rupees per meter. Okay, so cost of fencing is 5 rupees per meter, and we know 4B plus 40 meter is to be fenced. So 4B plus 40 meter is to be fenced, and cost per meter is 5, so we multiply this by 5. This will give me the cost of entire fencing. Now we know that the cost of fencing is 470, so instead of writing this, we'll write 470, and now we'll solve this equation. So we'll get 5 9s are 45, 5 4s are 20. So we have 4B is equals to 94 minus 40 will give me 54. So B is equals to 54 by 4. 4 1s are and 4 3s are 13.5. So we have got the answer of B, which is 13.5, and this is our required answer. So here option C is the correct one.